have the biggest surprise for you today. Guess what? We are out here at Mr. Shutze's woodshop, and he is going to teach us all about different kinds of woodworking tools. I just can't wait. And maybe we'll read a book or two. Are you ready? Let's do this. Come on. Okay, before we get started learning about woodworking tools, we have to sing our hello song, and it goes like this. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. All right, let's get to work. Hello, friends. You guys, I am so excited. I am here in Shutze's woodshop with Mr. Shutze. I am so excited to be here today. Thank you for having me.
I'm glad you're here.
Yay! He has so many cool tools in this woodshop. If you guys were in here, you would go crazy. But today, he is going to teach us about some of these tools and maybe show me a thing or two.
Yeah, we'll see if you can handle it.
We'll see. I'm nervous. What is this interesting looking tool?
Okay, so this is a hand plane
Okay.
from the early 1900s,
Ooh.
and I wanted to see if Miss KK can plane a piece of wood
If Miss KK can plane a piece of wood.
with it.
Oh boy. All right.
Okay.
I will give it my best shot. So what do I need to do?
Okay, we're going to take the plane and
Okay.
place it square on top of the wood,
Okay.
and your front finger, use it as a guide,
Okay.
and push it through the wood. And you get a piece of wood that comes off like that.
Like a little fun curlicue.
Yeah.
I love it. Boing, boing. I'll save that for an art project later. Perfect. Put it in my pocket. Okay, so it's my turn. I'm going to plane some wood. All right. So, okay. There we go. Planing wood. People. Push. Oh! Ah! I'm doing it. Yay!
How easy it is.
Look at that. Oh, nope, not yet. Nope. Yep. There it is. There it is.
Push down and all the way through.
Push down and through. Yay! I could be a woodworker. What do you think?
I think you're doing pretty good.
You'd hire me?
Yep.
Yay! If stories don't work out for me, I'm going to be a woodworker. What do you think? I love it. How fun! And look at all these fun curlicues. Excellent. That's a win-win.
Absolutely.
Cool. What other tools do you have to show me today?
Okay, so we have a draw knife that you can take a lot of wood off and shape different pieces of wood. You take and pull over the wood like this.
Huh.
You can debark trees with it, all kinds of things.
Oh, excellent. So next time you want to debark a tree, this guy.
Absolutely.
What's it called again?
It's a draw knife.
Oh, be careful. Don't try this at home, kids. All right, so you actually have two really cool boys, and they like to make swords.
Yes.
So they use some of these tools and make different things with them?
Absolutely, yeah. They've been using them for so long. They're careful with them, and they do well with them.
Very, very neat. So they actually made this sword. Who doesn't love a sword?
Yeah.
And they can be a pirate. Arr. I don't know.
Sword fight with them.
Sword fight with it. Just pretend. Be sweet to each other. Be kind. I love it. Okay, now what's this guy? This looks
That's a
very
mallet.
serious.
That's a wooden mallet used with chisels or something that you can tap the chisel with.
Little tapping of a chisel.
Yep.
And this is a saw.
This is called a back saw, which the back rib is really stiff, and then you can cut grooves in wood.
Wow. You have a lot of amazing tools here, Mr. Shutze.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for having me in your shop today, for showing me how to plane wood. I can put that tool in my toolkit. Can I come back sometime?
Absolutely, please do.
Yay! I think I'm going to stick to what I know and read some books. What do you think?
Sounds good.
All right. Our first book today is called The Little Excavator. And this book is by Anna Dudney. And she has written all the little llama books. It's really cute. Let's get started. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpita, thumpita, bumpita, bumpita, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Grum goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smusha, smusha, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator, over with a clunk. Droom goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator, don't get in the way. Boom goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang. Work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Whirr goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swish, whoosh. High, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator. You're too small. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it. Not a single one. Everybody tries it, and it's much too tight. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you, here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go! The end. For little diggers everywhere. I had so much fun spending time with Mr. Shutze in his wood shop today. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe we'll come back again soon. But now it's time to say goodbye. Oh, and how do we end our story time? Just like we started, but with our goodbye song. And it goes like this. Goodbye, friend. Goodbye, friend. Goodbye, friend. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, all my book buddies. I'll see you again next time.